If you own a Polaris Slingshot and you'd like to add a little bit of love to your passenger side grab handle, then our grab handle cover from the team over at Showchrome may be just for you. These passenger grab handle covers are made from marine grade vinyl, sewn right here in the USA, and are available in multiple stitch colors to match your Slingshot's interior color profile. This grab handle cover installs in seconds by wrapping the cover around the handle and zippering the two sides together for a clean and seamless look once installed. So providing your passenger with some additional comfort is on your mod list, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to purchase a passenger grab handle cover for your sling. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Slingshot. I'm Brandon, signing out. Until next time.